Once the memory expansion module has been attached, we need to position the robot. To position the robot, we want to go into Service Utilities and select Position Robot. During the positioning of the robot, the x-axis along with the theta is going to align. The robot will move left and right, and it will eventually go to the bottom, and it will come up into the position of 35,000. Once the library has been put into position, we want to select the option for Done, and we want to unlock the doors. Now that we have the doors unlocked, we want to open the left side door, since the carousel that has been installed is on the left side. When aligning the carousel, we need to use the Carousel Alignment tool. The Carousel Alignment tool has two sides, one with a pin and one without. When we align the carousel, we want to verify that the pin side is down. For demonstration purposes, we have a gripper assembly and the alignment tool outside of the library. When installing the alignment tool into the gripper to align the carousel, we need to make sure that the pin side is down and the pin needs to be on the outside of the gripper tub. To align the carousel numbers, we need to move the gripper to the left side of the beam, position the beam down manually, and we want to insert the alignment tool into slot 35. Once again, we need to take note that the alignment pin for the alignment tool is pointing down. With the alignment tool installed, we need to move the gripper to its far left and manually bring the alignment up for the X-beam. In this situation, you do need to manipulate by hand the carousel and the gripper to line up properly. We also need to make sure that the alignment pin on the gripper is on the outside of the gripper tub. Once we have it sitting flush into the gripper, we can go and get our alignment value numbers. Once you position the gripper underneath the theta alignment tool, once again making sure that the pin is on the outside of the tub, we want to go back into hardware configuration, and we want to get a robot status. And from the robot status screen, we want to scroll all the way down, and we want to take a note T-pos value and X-pos value. Once we have those two values, we want to select Done. Once you have generated the left or right side carousel numbers, you're going to want to input them into left or right side, depending on which one that you've installed the carousel side on. Once the numbers have been entered, we want to scroll down and select Update Alignment. Once the update alignment has been configured, we need to scroll back up, select Cabinet Configuration, and hit Save Changes. Once the changes have been saved, you can go ahead and press the Home option. From the Service View page, we need to select Service Utilities, Manage Fiducials. In this page, this is where we're going to go ahead and scan the fiducials of the library. We have three options: magazine fiducials, drive fiducials, or I/O port fiducials. The first ones we're going to scan are the magazine fiducials. Select the radio button and hit Begin Scan. Scanning fiducials may leave the machine in an inconsistent state. We want to continue and hit Yes. Once the library has completed all the magazine fiducials, we can validate fiducials and verify that all the fiducials have been scanned. Once all the magazine fiducials have been scanned, we need to go back into the fiducial scan page and now select Drive Fiducials and begin scan. Once all the drive fiducials have been scanned, we want to select the I/O port fiducials options and begin scan. Once all the fiducials have been scanned, the magazine, the drive, and the I/O ports, we want to verify that it reports 100%. Once that 100% is reported, we want to select Calibrate and go ahead and select Home.